Now to post a class note, you will click on the class notes area here and it'll bring you to the class notes wiki. So here in Blackboard, the first thing you'll see when you come to our wiki is the page it's called Laura's Directions for Class Notes. Right over here you'll see all the pages, and you'll see that I've created a page for every class in September. So in order to add your note to the class that you just attended, let's say you just finished listening to the lecture from September 18th, you will click on this page, September 18th page, and when it opens, if other students have already posted, you will see their posting there. If not, then it'll be empty and you will be the first student to post your note. I would like you to read the directions as we're waiting for this to open. All these directions describe what I'm telling you in this video as well. Now when it opens, this is how it looks, and so if you tried to click here, it won't open. So what you have to do is go to Edit. You click on Edit in this page, and then everyone will put their note in this text box. So if you're the first student, there won't be any entries. You'll be the first one to write your note. So let's start out with a creative title. Let's call this What to Do in a Crisis. And then you're going to say, I learned that in a crisis, ... And I want you to write about 5 to 10 sentences that describe what you learned from my lecture. Then at the end, I want you to put your name so that I know that this entry belongs to you, and I want you to highlight it and pick a color. There's all these colors over here you can pick from, so let's pick pink for today. Now let's say that this entry was already in here when you came in. Then what you would do is you would put your entry beneath it. So let's say that I lectured about what to do in a crisis, and one thing I talked about was ways to stay calm. So let's say that you were thinking you would write about what to do in a crisis. Instead, you can select one thing that another person had not written already. You can't repeat what somebody else has already put in this class notes. I learned that ... And then you put your name. And you highlight it and make it a different color from the previous student. So they picked pink, we'll pick red. Now in order to save this entry, you're going to have to tab down a little bit and click on Save and Exit. It's that simple.